Well, we made it! We are so excited to be in the BVIs. This is what we dreamed of during the 9-day passage, and we're here, and now we're ready to enjoy and explore.
Yay! Look! A palm tree with coconuts!
Wow! There's nothing more amazing than witnessing through the eyes of a child a very new and special place. Pretty nice.
This is amazing.
The crossing was tough for the boys, so it was really great to arrive, have some good weather, and show them that all of it was worth it.
Oh my god! A tiny shading off my finger!
What do you think of that?
It's really cool! Look, you can still see the fish swimming in the water.
We swam off the boat, jumped off the boat. Oh. Nice dive! Great dive, Hale! You did a dive.
Hey, like I said, you did this.
You did a real dive.
You did that.
We welcomed friends that were still arriving from out at sea, had a nice drink with them, and celebrated some good times with all the kids getting together.
And although we're so happy to have the passage behind us, we were really sad to say goodbye to Mark Adams. Mark truly became a part of our family on this trip, and I cannot imagine doing the 9 days without his help and support. But it wasn't long until we had new visitors. Even though we missed Mark, we were glad to say hello to my mom, Joan, and my niece Lily. We had a great time with them and the BVIs and explored all there was to see. Seth and I were really excited to return to the baths, one of our favorite parts of the BVIs, and even more exciting was to share it with our 3 boys. We knew they were going to love it.
Where are we, boys?
The baths!
What do you want to do?
Hey, rocks!
Tell me about the baths. Tell Tommy.
That was so cool. It's so cool. They're like these rocks with water in it, and then there's these ladders, and you can get to climb up rocks.
And is it like the coolest thing you've ever done, or not cool?
Coolest thing I ever done.
Yeah? Why do you think they call it the baths?
Because it's basically a bath.
Well, what do you mean? How's it a bath? It's outside.
Well, it's basically a bath outside because there's water inside this rock thing.
Oh.
And there's tons of them.
Do you take a bath in it?
Yeah.
You do?
Yes, you do. But there's no soap.
Ah, it is cool. Even if you're not a kid.
This is crazy.
Tell me real quick, what were the baths like?
Haze, kind of.
Were they cool?
Yeah.
What do you do?
You walk.
If you were telling your friends at home, what would you tell them about the baths?
It's kind of like going through tons of rocks, and
How big are the rocks?
giant, and some of them are bigger than others, and it's a hard way. It's kind of like a mountain.
Yeah? Cool. You had fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for that review. How many stars out of 10 would you give it?
550.
Star out of 10?
550!
It's pretty good. One of the main reasons we went to the BVIs was to help support the islands after Hurricanes Irma and Maria. It had been a little over a year since the 2 Category 5 hurricanes directly hit the BVIs, and the evidence of this was everywhere. It was a little bit hard to witness sometimes. For this reason, we were really happy to be actually at the Pirate's Bite on the day that it reopened.
Sparrow.
You're Jack Sparrow?
Yeah.
What's your name, Pierce? You're a good-looking pirate, too. High five.
I think you should be Blackbeard.
Gail,
Look how black
what's your pirate name?
Captain Blood.
Captain Blood. What's your pirate name, Mom?
Exercise woman.
Exercise pirate woman. Okay.
Captain Death.
What's my pirate name, boys?
Your pirate name is Relaxation.
All right, Hale, you go in this end.
Relaxation mode.
No,
What are you talking about? I don't look relaxed.
How fancy the restaurant is.
That's a super fancy restaurant, and we have an escaped crowd.
A menu item is making a getaway.
Pretty nice. British Virgin Islands. Where are we?
Dead man chest.
No, that was the other island. But this is where they found the what?
Treasure. Dead pieces of 8.
The pieces of 8 treasure. Look at that cave.
Keep your eyes up.
We snorkeled the Indians and even tried our best to try to get a family photo with our favorite thing, the boat. No, we didn't do a very good job. We'll have to keep trying. So he is close. Look at that thing. That thing is enormous.
Well, considering we're like going right at it.
Yeah, he said he's going to go to port. He doesn't look like it. I better go, better go.
We actually going to starboard right now, so we're gonna take your stand. We are gonna take your stand. We are moving to starboard now.
Thank you. Standing by on 16. Archer up. Skyscraper.
It's turning.
enormous.
It's heading right for us.
Look at that thing, guys.
Do you want that to run into us?
That is about 500 feet from us. I can't believe how close they get. They're okay with that. For about a month, we sailed and explored every island in the BVIs. We had a blast sailing up and down the Sir Francis Drake Channel, but we also happened to find an amazing surf break on the northern side of Tortola. And this is how we ended our trip with BVIs.